Hi guys, welcome back on board. Today's topic is going to be based on key points on diseases. And in delving into the key points, we have to understand some key concepts which include definition, the types, the factors that influence the diseases, and understanding the broad concept on diseases. Well, to start with, we have to begin with the definition, which states that diseases are abnormal conditions affecting organisms, structure and function, which later results in illnesses or diseases or even death. So understanding this definition will make you to delve deeply or make you to be interested in studying diseases. Want to know, curious students will want to know now, what are these conditions that affect? Where does this particular disease infect? What are the growth stages of this particular disease in order to cure certain disease? So to start with, we have types. Well, there are three broad types of diseases, which are the infectious, the non-infectious, and the genetic diseases. Well, the infectious are those caused by pathogens, which are the external factors, and whereas the non-infectious are those that cannot be caused by external factors, but they can be caused by the internal ones, which include the genetic, the anatomical functions and positions, all that, and the hereditary also, which is strictly based on genes, transmission from one parent to the child. So that's how genetic type works. So in summary, we have three types of diseases. We are the infectious, non-infectious, and the genetics. Now to the factors that influence diseases. We have one that are the pathogenic factors, genetic factors, environmental factors, lifestyle modifications, and the age gap also. These are the factors that are key in understanding disease transmission. Nextly, we have to understand the broad concept of diseases. In order to understand the concept of diseases, we have to first know the etiology, which are the causes. You have to know what causes this particular disease, what is the cause of it. Nextly, we have the pathogenesis, which is the development. How does this particular disease develop? What comes about its development? The other is the signs and symptoms, which are the observable features in which we are able to identify this particular disease. Next is the diagnosis, how to identify it in the lab. Also, we have the treatment. When you observe it in the lab, you come about to the treatment and the prevention also, which is the last step. So thank you as we wait to the next